Have you ever wondered if the food on your plate is as fresh as the day it was harvested? What journey does it take from the farm to your kitchen? How can we be sure it's safe and still packed with nutrients? Every year, farmers grow billions of tons of fruits and vegetables, but delivering that high-quality fresh produce to our tables is no small feat. Thanks to advanced post-harvest handling technologies, this process has become more efficient, keeping food fresh, safe, and delicious. Stay with us until the end as we explore the fascinating steps that make this possible. Trust me, you'll be amazed by how much you'll learn, and you'll enjoy every bit of it. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more exciting content. Now, let's dive in. Post-harvest handling. 10 steps to keep our food fresh and safe. After the crops are harvested, the journey is far from over. What follows is an essential process known as post-harvest handling. This is where the quality, longevity, and market value of the crops are determined. But what exactly happens after harvesting is done? That's what we're about to dive into. In post-harvest handling, there are 10 crucial steps. These are sorting and grading, cleaning, drying, cooling, packaging, quality control, storage, pest and disease management, labeling and traceability, transportation. Each step plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity and market value of the produce. In the following sections, we will dive into each task in detail, exploring how they contribute to effective post-harvest handling and what makes each step essential for delivering top-quality crops. Sorting and grading. These are the initial and perhaps most crucial steps in post-harvest handling, setting the stage for delivering high-quality produce to consumers. Imagine a bustling farm where freshly harvested fruits and vegetables begin their journey by being carefully evaluated. The goal here is simple: to ensure that only the best quality produce makes it to market, while those that don't meet the standards are redirected for alternative uses like processing, animal feed, or compost. Traditionally, that were done manually, relying on workers to inspect each crop based on size, shape, color, and overall quality. But it can be time-consuming and subjective, with variations in human perception leading to inconsistencies. Enter advanced automated sorting technologies, which have revolutionized this step by significantly enhancing speed, accuracy, and consistency. Modern sorting systems utilize cutting-edge technologies like machine vision, infrared sensors, and AI-powered algorithms. These systems can quickly scan each item on a conveyor belt, evaluating a range of attributes such as ripeness, external defects, internal quality, and even subtle imperfections that human eyes might miss. For instance, hyperspectral imaging, a technique that captures data beyond what the human eye can see, can identify sugar content, firmness, and even detect early signs of spoilage. Grading, on the other hand, involves categorizing produce into different classes based on established standards, which may include export quality, local market quality, and processing quality. Automated grading systems can instantly sort items into these categories, ensuring that each batch of produce meets specific customer requirements or market standards. This precise categorization not only adds value to the produce, but also helps farmers command better prices by meeting the exact specifications of different markets. Beyond just improving efficiency, these technologies also contribute to reducing food waste. By identifying and separating less than perfect produce early on, it becomes possible to direct it to processing industries, thus maximizing the utilization of every harvest. Moreover, some farms are now incorporating blockchain technology for real-time tracking and traceability, ensuring transparency and boosting consumer confidence in the quality of the produce. In essence, modern sorting and grading are about more than just aesthetics. They ensure that every fruit, vegetable, or grain meets the highest standards of quality and safety, ultimately delivering better products to our tables while supporting sustainable farming practices. Cleaning. Cleaning is one of the most crucial steps in post-harvest handling, setting the stage for safe, high-quality produce to reach consumers. After sorting and grading, crops often carry dirt, debris, pesticide residues, and potential pathogens from the fields. Cleaning effectively removes these contaminants, making produce not only visually appealing, but also safe for consumption. Traditionally, cleaning involved manual washing or brushing, which, while effective, is labor-intensive and inconsistent. Today, modern agriculture has significantly advanced these methods with technology-driven solutions that enhance efficiency, consistency, and safety. Automated cleaning systems now dominate large-scale operations, utilizing high-pressure water jets, air blowers, and rotating brushes that gently clean crops without causing damage. These systems can process vast amounts of produce rapidly, maintaining high standards of cleanliness while reducing labor costs. One of the latest innovations in cleaning technology is the use of ultrasonic cleaning systems. These devices use high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic bubbles in water, which then implode to remove fine particles of dirt and microbes from the surface of fruits and vegetables. This method is particularly effective for delicate produce, such as berries, where traditional brushing could cause bruising. Another advanced technique is the application of ozonated water, which not only cleans but also disinfects produce. Ozone is a powerful natural sanitizer that can kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi, extending the shelf life of fruits and vegetables without leaving harmful residues. Additionally, electrostatic spraying systems apply a fine mist of water or sanitizing agents that uniformly covers the surface of produce, ensuring thorough cleaning and minimizing water usage, a key factor in sustainable agriculture. Beyond the technologies themselves, smart cleaning systems are increasingly incorporating sensors and AI for quality assurance. These systems can monitor the cleanliness of the produce in real time, automatically adjusting settings to ensure optimal results. For example, sensors can detect the turbidity of wash water, triggering filters or water changes when needed to maintain hygiene standards. Cleaning is not just about removing visible dirt. It's a sophisticated process that plays a vital role in food safety, extending shelf life, and enhancing the appeal of fresh produce. As consumer demand for clean, ready-to-eat produce grows, these advanced cleaning technologies are essential for farmers and distributors to meet market expectations, delivering the best possible products to our tables. Drying. Drying is a crucial step in post-harvest handling, especially for crops like grains, seeds, nuts, and certain fruits. The main goal of drying is to reduce the moisture content of the harvested produce to levels that inhibit the growth of mold, bacteria, and other spoilage agents. This process not only extends the shelf life, but also maintains the quality, flavor, and nutritional value of the crops. Traditionally, drying involved spreading crops out under the sun, a method still used in many parts of the world due to its simplicity and low cost. However, sun drying is labor-intensive, weather-dependent, and can lead to uneven results, with the risk of contamination from dust, insects, or animals. Modern agricultural practices have revolutionized drying techniques with advanced technologies that offer precision and efficiency. Mechanical dryers, such as heated air dryers, are now widely used to provide a consistent drying environment, allowing crops to reach their target moisture content quickly and uniformly. These dryers can be tailored to specific crop needs, with options for temperature and airflow adjustments that minimize the risk of overheating or damaging sensitive produce. For energy efficiency and sustainability, solar dryers have gained popularity, combining the benefits of traditional sun drying with enhanced control. These systems use solar panels or collectors to generate heat, which is then circulated around the crops in enclosed chambers. This method not only speeds up the drying process, but also protects the produce from external contaminants. Another cutting-edge technology is freeze drying, used primarily for high-value crops like herbs, spices, and certain fruits. Freeze drying removes moisture under low temperatures and pressure, preserving the original shape, color, and nutritional profile of the produce. This technique, though more expensive, results in a premium product that rehydrates quickly and maintains its quality for extended periods. Advancements in drying technology also include the use of desiccant-based dryers and infrared drying systems. Desiccant dryers use moisture-absorbing materials to lower humidity levels around the crops, making them highly effective for environments where humidity control is a challenge. Infrared dryers, on the other hand, use electromagnetic radiation to heat and evaporate moisture from the crops rapidly, offering an energy-efficient alternative to conventional methods. Overall, modern drying techniques are all about precision, speed, and protecting the integrity of the crops. By investing in the right drying technology, farmers can significantly reduce post-harvest losses, enhance the marketability of their produce, and contribute to a more sustainable food supply chain. Cooling is a critical step in the post-harvest handling process, particularly for perishable crops like fruits, vegetables, flowers, and dairy products. Once harvested, these items continue to respire, which generates heat and accelerates decay. Cooling slows down the respiration rate and delays the deterioration process, effectively extending the shelf life and preserving the freshness, taste, and nutritional quality of the produce. One of the most popular cooling methods is hydrocooling, where harvested crops are rapidly cooled by immersing them in cold water. This technique is highly effective for products like leafy greens, cucumbers, and apples, as it quickly brings down the temperature, preventing the crops from wilting or spoiling. Hydrocooling is particularly beneficial in hot climates, where immediate cooling is crucial to prevent quality loss. Another advanced cooling method is forced air cooling, which involves circulating cold air around the produce in a refrigerated room or container. This method is widely used for items like berries, stone fruits, and packed vegetables. Forced air cooling provides uniform cooling, ensuring that every piece of produce reaches the desired temperature quickly and efficiently, which is essential for maintaining quality during storage and transport. For crops that are more sensitive, such as delicate leafy greens, vacuum cooling is an excellent option. This method works by reducing the pressure inside a cooling chamber, which causes the water inside the produce to evaporate, rapidly removing heat. Vacuum cooling is exceptionally fast and energy efficient, making it ideal for leafy vegetables and cut flowers that require gentle handling to maintain their freshness. Room cooling, where harvested produce is placed in a refrigerated room until it reaches the desired temperature, is another common practice. Though slower than other methods, it is suitable for bulk produce and less perishable items like root vegetables and tubers. Additionally, ice cooling can be used for certain crops by placing crushed ice directly on the produce. This method is simple yet effective, providing a rapid temperature drop and adding moisture to prevent dehydration, which is particularly useful for items like fish, broccoli, and asparagus. Advancements in cooling technology have also introduced pre-cooling systems that are integrated into harvesters, allowing produce to begin cooling immediately after being picked. This integration minimizes the time between harvest and cooling, further preserving the quality of the crops. By utilizing these diverse cooling techniques, farmers and distributors can significantly reduce post-harvest losses, maintain the quality of their produce, and meet market demands for fresh, high-quality food. Cooling is not just about temperature. It's about preserving the essence of the harvest, ensuring that consumers receive produce that's as fresh as the day it was picked. Packaging. Packaging is more than just a protective layer. It's a critical step that ensures the safe handling, transportation, and delivery of fresh produce from farms to consumers. After sorting, cleaning, drying, and cooling, effective packaging plays a vital role in preserving the quality, freshness, and safety of crops by shielding them from physical damage, moisture, and contaminants. One of the leading advancements in packaging is modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, which uses a carefully controlled mix of gases to slow down the ripening and decay processes. This technology is especially useful for extending the shelf life of fresh produce like fruits, vegetables, and ready-to-eat salads, keeping them fresh longer while maintaining their taste and texture. Another innovative approach is vacuum packaging, which removes air from the package to create a tight seal, effectively reducing oxygen levels that can lead to spoilage. This method is commonly used for products like meats, cheeses, and certain vegetables, offering enhanced shelf life and protection against freezer burn, especially for products stored in refrigerated or frozen conditions. Sustainability is at the forefront of modern packaging strategies, with increasing adoption of biodegradable and compostable materials. These environmentally friendly options include plant-based plastics, paper wraps, and even packaging made from agricultural waste, reducing the reliance on conventional plastics and minimizing environmental impact. Packaging also incorporates active solutions like antimicrobial packaging, which integrates natural compounds that inhibit microbial growth. This is particularly valuable for high-risk items, providing an additional layer of food safety by reducing the likelihood of contamination during storage and transport. Overall, advanced packaging is essential for preserving the hard-earned quality of agricultural produce, enhancing its marketability, and supporting the industry's move towards more sustainable practices. As technology continues to evolve, packaging will play an increasingly pivotal role in meeting consumer demands for fresh, safe, and responsibly produced food. Storage. Storage is a critical step in the post-harvest handling process, playing a vital role in maintaining the quality, safety, and shelf life of harvested crops. After sorting, cleaning, drying, and packaging, proper storage ensures that produce remains fresh and protected from environmental factors that can lead to spoilage or degradation. The key to effective storage lies in creating the right conditions. For perishable items like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, cold storage is essential. Refrigerated storage units such as walk-in coolers or cold rooms help keep these items at a consistent low temperature, slowing down the natural ripening and decay processes. Controlled environments with regulated humidity levels are also crucial, as excessive moisture can lead to mold growth, while too little moisture can cause produce to dry out and lose quality. For grains, seeds, and other dry produce, the focus shifts to managing humidity and preventing pest infestations. Silos and grain bins provide a safe, controlled environment that protects from pests, rodents, and extreme weather. These storage facilities often include aeration systems to keep the air moving, preventing the buildup of moisture and reducing the risk of spoilage. Advanced storage techniques, like controlled atmosphere storage, CAS, are used for specific crops such as apples, pears, and other fruits that benefit from a tailored gas mix. By adjusting oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen levels, CAS can significantly extend the shelf life of these crops, maintaining their taste, texture, and nutritional value for months longer than conventional methods. Innovations in storage technology, such as smart sensors and IoT devices, now allow farmers and distributors to monitor storage conditions in real time. These tools help detect any deviations in temperature, humidity, or gas composition, enabling quick corrective actions to protect crop quality. Ultimately, effective storage is not just about keeping produce safe. It's about preserving the hard work that goes into growing each crop, ensuring it reaches consumers at its peak freshness and nutritional value. Quality control and safety checks. After sorting, cleaning, and packaging, harvested crops undergo rigorous inspections to meet high standards of quality, safety, and nutritional value. The process begins with visual inspections, where experts or AI-powered systems quickly identify defects like bruises, discoloration, or signs of disease. However, it doesn't stop at surface checks. Advanced technologies such as mass spectrometry and chromatography are used in labs to test for contaminants like pesticides, heavy metals, and pathogens, ensuring each batch is safe for consumption. Moisture content is also closely monitored, especially for grains and seeds. High-tech moisture meters are used to check levels, as too much moisture can lead to spoilage or mold. If levels are too high, corrective drying measures are immediately applied to preserve the produce's quality. Innovative non-invasive techniques like near-infrared, NIR spectroscopy, are also used to assess internal qualities, such as ripeness and sweetness, without damaging the produce. This allows for more precise sorting and grading, ensuring consistency in quality. Packaging and storage conditions are continuously monitored with sensors that track temperature, humidity, and gas composition. Any deviations trigger alerts, enabling quick interventions to maintain optimal conditions and prevent spoilage. Finally, traceability systems track each batch from the farm to the market, providing transparency and accountability. This ensures that any quality issues can be swiftly traced back to their source, enhancing food safety and consumer trust. Pest and disease management. Pest and disease management is essential to keep harvested crops safe, fresh, and ready for market. After all the effort that goes into growing and harvesting, it's crucial to protect produce from pests and diseases that can cause significant losses. The process starts with careful inspections right after harvest, using modern tools like imaging systems or magnifiers to spot any signs of pests or disease. Early detection allows farmers to act quickly, preventing problems from spreading. One effective strategy used is integrated pest management, IPM, which combines several methods to control pests while minimizing environmental impact. For example, introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs helps naturally reduce harmful pests without chemicals. Physical barriers and traps are also used to keep pests away from produce. For storage, temperature and humidity control are key. Cold storage helps slow down the growth of microorganisms, while airtight containers protect grains from pests and mold. These methods keep the produce in top condition without relying on harsh chemicals. In some cases, treatments like UV light or ozone are used to disinfect produce surfaces, effectively killing bacteria and fungi without compromising quality. These non-chemical options are preferred, especially for fruits and vegetables. Regular monitoring is crucial throughout storage. Advanced sensors track conditions in real time, providing alerts if pests or diseases are detected, so swift action can be taken. By using these smart pest and disease management techniques, farmers ensure that the food on your table is fresh, safe, and of the highest quality. It's a behind-the-scenes effort that plays a big role in delivering the best produce to consumers. Labeling and traceability. Labeling and traceability are crucial steps in post-harvest handling, ensuring that consumers get safe, high-quality produce with full transparency. These processes not only help in tracking the journey of food from farm to table, but also build trust and provide valuable information to both consumers and retailers. After crops are packaged, they are labeled with essential details like origin, grade, date of harvest, and expiry. Labels can also include nutritional information, storage instructions, and certifications such as organic or non-GMO, helping consumers make informed choices. For retailers, clear labeling aids in efficient stock management and ensures compliance with food safety regulations. Traceability goes beyond just labeling. It's about having a complete record of a product's journey through the supply chain. This involves using barcodes, QR codes, or RFID tags that are scanned at each stage, from harvest and processing to transportation and retail. Advanced traceability systems use digital platforms where data is logged in real time, making it easy to track the exact path of each batch. Why is this important? In the event of a quality issue or food safety concern, traceability allows for quick identification and recall of affected products, minimizing risks to consumers. It also helps farmers and producers to pinpoint where issues occur, enabling them to make improvements and reduce future waste or contamination. For consumers, traceability offers peace of mind. By scanning a QR code on a package, they can see where their food came from, how it was grown, and even view details about the farm itself. This transparency fosters trust and strengthens the connection between producers and consumers. In essence, labeling and traceability are key to maintaining food quality, safety, and transparency, ensuring that every item on your plate meets the highest standards from farm to fork. Transportation. Transportation is the final but crucial step in the post-harvest handling process, ensuring that crops make it from farms to markets in the best possible condition. After all the hard work of growing, harvesting, and carefully processing produce. Proper transportation is essential to maintain quality and minimize losses. Think of transportation as the bridge between the farm and your table. For perishable goods like fruits, vegetables, and dairy, maintaining the cold chain is critical. Cold chain logistics involve using temperature-controlled vehicles, such as refrigerated trucks or containers, that keep produce at optimal temperatures throughout the journey. This helps prevent spoilage, slow down ripening, and extend shelf life, ensuring the produce arrives fresh and safe. But it's not just about keeping things cool. Transportation must also protect produce from physical damage during loading, transit, and unloading. This is achieved through careful packaging, cushioning, and stacking techniques that prevent bruising and crushing. For delicate items like berries or leafy greens, specialized packaging and gentle handling processes are used to maintain their quality. Modern transportation also relies on technology for efficiency and safety. GPS tracking and real-time monitoring systems provide valuable insights into the location and condition of shipments, allowing producers and distributors to manage logistics proactively. If there are delays or temperature fluctuations, these systems can alert operators to take corrective actions, reducing the risk of spoilage. Sustainability is also becoming a focus, with more producers opting for eco-friendly transportation methods, such as electric delivery trucks or optimizing routes to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Ultimately, effective transportation ensures that all the effort put into growing and processing crops isn't wasted on the road. It plays a key role in getting high-quality, fresh produce from farms to markets and, eventually, to your plate. It's the final step that brings the farm-to-fork journey full circle. And that wraps up our quick overview of the post-harvest handling process. From sorting and grading to transportation, each step plays a vital role in maintaining crop quality. But this is just the beginning. In our next videos, we will dive deeper into each system, exploring how these advanced technologies work and their benefits for both farmers and consumers. So, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and share this video if you found it helpful. See you in the next one.